Hey, I'm Shane Smith from Shane Smith Law with our Celebrity Crime Report. Today we're going to talk about the case of Ezra Miller. For those of you who are fans of Ezra Miller, he's the actor best known for playing the Flash in the Justice League films and for Creedence Barebone in the Fantastic Beasts franchise, which is also coming out soon. Miller, who he identifies as a non-binary, and he uses they-them pronouns, he's been having a lot of issues with the law lately. He's filming down in Hawaii, and undoubtedly something's happened down there. He was cited for obstructing a highway, which usually that occurs when somebody just gets in the highway and stops, or the car is stopped and they won't let people go. And he was described as being uncooperative and wouldn't leave the area, and then when he did, he was obstructing the sidewalk. So there's something going on there. We just don't know all the facts on that one yet. And then on March 27th, he was in a bar and he became agitated at some patrons that were singing karaoke. The Hawaii Police Department states he began yelling obscenities and at one point grabbed a microphone from a 23-year-old woman singing and later lunged at a 32-year-old man playing darts. He was charged with disorderly conduct and harassment. Both these are misdemeanor charges. It's just a difficult situation. The bar owner had asked Miller to leave before he called the police, and it didn't happen. After being released from custody, and he was put out on $500 bail, which is pretty common for misdemeanor charges. So he was released. Then he had an issue with the couple he was staying at down in Hawaii. The allegation is that he burst into the room, yelled, saying, "I'm going to bury you and your slut wife," stole their passport of the wife and the wallet, which included a social security card, driver's license, bank cards, and other things from the husband. The couple then filed a temporary restraining order. A temporary restraining order basically is a quick hearing where basically they say you can't come anywhere near the people who are filing the restraining order. That normally happens before you file for a permanent restraining order. Temporary restraining orders are much easier to get because they're temporary and they're going to expire. They can frequently be done without a hearing until you go in and get the permanent one. Anyway, the couple then decided to drop their charges against Miller, but he's still going to have to deal with the tickets, the traffic, the disorderly conduct. Both those hearings are set for April 26th, so we'll find out what happens there. Disorderly conduct is just a misdemeanor offense, and that's a $1,000 fine, or up to a $1,000 fine, and up to 30 days in jail. Obstruction is also a misdemeanor offense. However, depending on how that's interpreted by the police, or whether it involved the police or not, which we're concerned in this case it may because the police had told him to leave, that can be punishable by up to less than one day from a year of confinement. So basically 364 days in jail. And it's unlikely to happen. That would be very harsh in a disorderly conduct, but it is possible. An inside source has said that Miller had frequent meltdowns when they're filming The Flash, and it looks like he's continued to go downhill. Also up now, other than the legal charges for Mr. Miller, are actually probably more serious charges. His contracts are in dispute, and they're unsure what's going to happen with that with Warner Brothers. They've frozen all future projects with the actor right now until this is sorted out, and they're concerned whether he will also be in any other Fantastic Beasts projects. So we don't know all the facts on this. We just know that this has obviously become much more serious, and it looks like he's having trouble with the law, and then in private areas as well, between the bar and between the couple he was staying at. That's our update on Ezra Miller, or The Flash. Stay tuned for more celebrity updates from Shane Smith Law Crime Report. Please hit like and subscribe down below.
980999999. 980999999.